Have you ever pondered the long-term consequences of not replacing a missing tooth? It's a question most of us don't typically lose sleep over, but perhaps we should. A lost tooth can set off a chain reaction of events, many of which are often unseen and unnoticed until it's too late. One of the most significant impacts is the potential for bone loss in the jaw. This happens because our teeth play a critical role in stimulating and maintaining the bone structure. When a tooth is missing, the bone in that area lacks the necessary stimulation and begins to deteriorate over time. But the domino effect doesn't stop there. The loss of a tooth can also lead to the misalignment of the remaining teeth. Without the support of the missing tooth, adjacent teeth may start to drift into the vacant space, leading to a cascade of dental problems, including changes in your bite, jaw joint issues, and even further tooth loss. And then, there are the changes in facial structure. Over time, the loss of multiple teeth can lead to a sunken facial appearance and premature aging. A strong and healthy jawbone is necessary to support your facial muscles and skin. Without it, your face can begin to change shape, often leading to a more aged appearance. But the impact of a missing tooth isn't just physical. It can also take a toll on our emotional and social well-being. Many people with missing teeth often feel self-conscious about their appearance, which can lead to a decrease in self-esteem and confidence. This in turn can cause individuals to withdraw from social interactions, further exacerbating feelings of isolation and loneliness. So, while the immediate concern of a missing tooth might be aesthetic, the long-term effects are far more profound and extensive. It's not just about maintaining a picture-perfect smile. It's about preserving our overall health, well-being, and quality of life. As you can see, the repercussions of not replacing a missing tooth extend far beyond a simple gap in your smile. To truly grasp the magnitude of this issue, let's delve into some startling facts and figures. Each year, millions of adults around the globe experience tooth loss, with a surprising number choosing not to replace those missing teeth. This choice, often driven by a lack of understanding or fear, can lead to further complications. For instance, did you know that bone loss in the jaw can begin as soon as a year after losing a tooth? Moreover, tooth loss isn't just a matter of aesthetics or chewing efficiency. It's closely linked to a higher likelihood of developing oral and systemic health issues. People with missing teeth are more susceptible to conditions like gum disease and diabetes, and may even face an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. These numbers serve as a stark reminder of the importance of addressing tooth loss promptly and effectively. We have delved deep into the unseen impacts of tooth loss and explored the startling facts and figures surrounding this issue. We've uncovered the ripple effect of a single missing tooth, from shifting teeth and a changing bite to potential bone loss and facial changes. Beyond the physical repercussions, we've also touched on the emotional toll, including potential self-esteem issues and social discomfort. The takeaway is clear: a missing tooth is not just an aesthetic concern, it's a health issue that deserves prompt attention. Don't let the domino effect of tooth loss impact your life. If you're grappling with this issue, there's no time like the present to seek professional advice. Dental professionals can provide a range of solutions tailored to your specific needs, from bridges and dentures to dental implants. Remember, your smile is more than just a physical feature. It's a critical aspect of your overall health and well-being. Don't let a missing tooth rob you of your health, happiness, and confidence.